All right, so now we're over in ACC and we've gone to our build section of our project, and we're going to go over to our forms and templates. We're going to create a new template. So we're going to go ahead and create a template here. I'm going to do a upload from an existing PDF. And I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop that over to where I'm working. So I'm going to grab that project template, drop it in here, and it's going to process it, and we'll see that it's going to finish, hit next, and we're going to have all that information brought over here. So that's correct. That is our document right there. All right, template type, we're going to call this commissioning. I don't care for weather, but we can include some notes. Okay, single contributor. Edit roles or members. I'm going to go ahead and do myself, and I'm going to go ahead and leave view off. I should be able to hit create here. So now that we've created this, it brought the name over, project completion template. We can go ahead and see over here all the information that we need to. Apologize, my face is in the way. But if we go ahead to create a form, and we go to the project completion template, we can see all those fillable form areas have now come through, and we can still sign here for our project manager signature. For instance, if I were to click here, I want to do my signature, I hit done, it saves it, or I can do it again. Not important, but for this instance, we're going to go ahead, delete this, yes, and we'll go ahead and fill it out as if we were trying to submit this, and then when we pull that report, we'll see all the information come through. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in really quick just for our test purposes. All right, now that all the information is filled out, we'll go ahead and hit submit. And after submitting, we're able to make it. Okay, so this is going to be a submitted report now. All right, form saved and submitted. All right, so now when we go back to our forms, we're going to see that this project completion has now shown up here, project complete, just now. And I want to go ahead and export this to both a PDF and a spreadsheet, but for now we'll just do the spreadsheet. Hit export, and we're going to have those pull up, and I'll show you the differences between the PDF and the spreadsheet here in just a second. Alright, so the first thing we're going to look at is the Excel spreadsheet. This is going to show all of the information that we got brought in, and as we can see as we scroll over, they're alphabetical, but all the information that was provided within that document is showing up here. So the client name we had was testing center, date delivered, client, date, signature. So all those fillable form areas have now come in as a filled out area, and I even included the rejection comments. There's nothing wrong with the information, it's just to show the report. So this is what that would show up as in an Excel spreadsheet. And when you're doing multiple of the same report, it'd be nice to have all that information displayed out across multiple rows. So this is that one document, but in the case you had multiple reports, you can see all those elements here. So then in the PDF version, that's going to look like this. So we have all this information here, comes in, and now we can see, hey, look, all this information is showing up as a filled out PDF, includes the signatures, and looks more like a filled out document here. So that's the PDF report, and you can do multiple reports at one time. This is only that one, obviously, but the more you do, the more you export out if needed. That's how that would look up. So that's the process of taking a template, bringing it in to ACC, and after having set up all the fillable form areas, you can get that information to pull properly for your job. So I hope that helped.